guess I'd like to say hey to everyone. I haven't written, I've written to almost nobody since I've gotten here to my training site, which is in the Batu region of East Java. I'm not supposed to say exactly which village I'm in because Peace Corps security just doesn't like having our exact locations pinned out during training. But anyway, it's in the Batu region. Yeah, there's no internet in my house. There's no internet in most of the houses in the village. Actually, in order to get internet, we have to go to a place they call it the Waternet, which is basically an internet cafe with very slow internet, and it's actually pretty cheap. So I go there once every few days to check my email and look at my Facebook and see if there's anything urgent going on. But anyway, that's why I haven't been able to post, because I haven't been able to get on with my computer, and so bear with me. It's probably going to be this way for a significant while longer. See, today is the 19th, which means I've been in Indonesia for 12 days. I've been here in my homestay village for 8 or 9 days now, and I really like it. It's very different. It's hard really to enumerate the differences. Just like every facet of life is different, and then there are certain things which remain the same. But I mean everything from what we eat, how you shower, when you shower, how often you shower, what you wear, the way you greet people, and obviously the language that you greet people in. There's a lot of new things to absorb. There are 4 other trainees in the village with me. The other 25 are split up between another 5 other villages. But we're all we all see each other at least once a week, and I see half of them 3 or 4 times a week. And then I see my village mates every day. No, I really like it. It's challenging in some ways, but mostly it's just really, really cool. Every day is very full. Every day is, we have language classes for 4 hours from 8 to 12 in the morning, where we're learning Bahasa Indonesia, which is the official, I guess, language of all of Indonesia. All Indonesians learn it. But there are also local languages. Here on Java, people at home speak Bahasa Jawa, or Javanese. And I don't know, for any of you who know anything about how the languages in Switzerland work, it's pretty analogous to German and Swiss German, at least one being the official language and one being the language of the home. More or less, yeah. It's the same situation. So I feel like I'm not completely unprepared for this dynamic. Indonesian is a cool language. It's made up of a lot of different elements, largely Malay, Javanese, elements of Arabic, Portuguese, Dutch, and who knows what else. It's actually quite easy as far as languages go. It makes English seem really complicated. Grammar is very easy. There's no past tense. You don't have to conjugate verbs. It's cakewalk, more or less. Of course, it looks kind of strange, and words can be quite long, so it can look quite intimidating. But I feel progress has been really good. We probably couldn't be set up any better in terms of total immersion in the language and instruction. 5 people in a classroom and an expert teacher. We couldn't really be in more ideal circumstances for learning a language that's moving pretty rapidly.